Right away, Judge West sets the tone. No nonsense. Notice how she doesn't even let Derek's past violations slide into the background. Quick question for you. Do you think multiple small violations should carry the same weight as one big one? Drop your thoughts below.
Good morning, sir. You're Derek Mouton?
Yes, ma'am.
And did you get someone hired, Mr. Mouton?
Last name is
Okay. Did you talk to some lawyers?
Yes, ma'am. I talked to a few.
Who'd you talk to?
I talked to Mr. Jones. I talked to Miss Brittany. I talked to Mr. Kevin Lane. And also I talked to Sean Sanders.
Okay. And so where are you going to be able to get someone hired, do you think?
Well, I kind of already have an idea who I want to go with. It's just a matter of me just setting up just to be able to pick one.
All right. Which one do you think?
I'm going to go with Miss Brittany Holmes.
Okay. All right. Well, thank you for doing what I asked, Mr. Mouton. I'll reset your case about 30 days to give you some more time to try to get Ms. Holmes hired. If you get her hired between now and that next court date, bring that reset notice to her. If for some reason that's not going to work out, talk to some others. You can see that they all have different plans and payments and things like that. All right. Step in front of the clerk. She'll give you a reset notice. Eliza Riley. Good morning. You're Eliza Riley? Elisha? Okay. And Mr. Riley, did you get someone hired? Speak up, please.
I said I talked to a couple people, but I ain't getting nobody hired.
Who'd you talk to?
Burbank, Macon.
Mr. Riley, if I test you this morning, you gonna have anything in your system?
No.
Have a seat in the jury box. I'm gonna check here. Have you tested first? Mr. Parker, Timothy Horace, sentencing. Good morning, sir. You're Timothy Horace. And Mr. Horace was previously in court, entered a plea of guilty to obstruction or retaliation. I've received that pre-sentence report. Has everyone had an opportunity to review the report?
Yes, Your Honor.
Any additions or corrections?
No, Your Honor.
Suspended sentence ***. Basically a legal tightrope. He's been handed 10 years, but as long as he behaves on probation, he won't actually serve it. But one slip up. Boom, those 10 years become reality. Would you be able to live under that kind of pressure?
All right, Mr. Horace, I'm going to find that you previously entered your plea of guilty freely and voluntarily, find sufficient evidence to find you guilty, and at this time follow the agreement, find you guilty of obstruction or retaliation, sentence you in accordance with your agreement to a term of 10 years in the institutional division of the Texas Department of Corrections, but I'm going to suspend that, place you on probation for 5 years. You're ordered to pay a $500 fine and to follow all of the rules and conditions of probation. And if you do all of that, then for all practical purposes, your case here in court is over, and you'll be able to serve that 10-year sentence while you're on probation. The other side of that, though, is if you violate any condition of probation, you can be brought back into court, your probation revoked, and you could be facing that 10-year sentence that you've agreed to. Do you understand? I'm handing you the trial court certification that shows this was an agreement that I followed, and so you've waived your right to appeal. I also handed you a written admonishment regarding your ineligibility to possess a firearm or ammunition. Because of the judgment entered against you, you're ineligible under Texas law to possess a firearm or ammunition. Possession of a firearm or ammunition could lead to charges against you. Firearm is a legal term, and you should read that written admonishment I provide you to see what devices qualify as a firearm. If you have questions about the laws that make you ineligible to possess a firearm or ammunition, or about how long that lasts, you can talk with Mr. Parker. You just need to have a seat here in the courtroom. Probation's going to call you up when she's ready to go over your paperwork. Good luck to you, sir.
Thank you, Judge.
Do you have anything else?
No.
All right.
We're nervous to be in the
I know. Be careful. Let us know. She's on her way right now. Like we're all like, oh. Let's see. Darius Sparks. Good morning, you're Darius Sparks. And Mr. Sparks, this is your initial appearance in cause number 25 DCCR 0754. You're charged with a third-degree felony offense of assault on a family member by impeding breath or circulation, and that's from May 7th of 2025. Since you've made bond in your case, have you had an opportunity to try to hire a lawyer?
No, ma'am.
All right, so what I'm going to do, Mr. Sparks, is reset your case for about 30 days to give you some time to try to hire someone. If you get someone hired before the next court date, just bring the reset notice that you get today to that lawyer. They'll tell you what to do. If you're unable to hire someone before the next court date, then I'm ordering you to visit with at least...
And Judge West isn't playing. Here's the thing, violating it isn't just breaking her rule, it's breaking the law. Quick engagement check. Do you think defendants in domestic cases should ever be allowed to contact the alleged victim while awaiting trial?
3 lawyers. They all charge different amounts. They have different payment plans. Bring me back the names of the lawyers that you've talked to so I know you're trying, and then we'll discuss your options. If you don't do that, then when you come back, you run the risk of me raising your bond for not following that court order, and you would have to go back to jail. Do you understand?
Yes.
And also, Mr. Sparks, as a condition of your bond, were you told that you're not to have any contact or communication with Ms. Gage?
Yes.
Right. Why did you pause?
Because there's a lot of stuff that transpired. We still talking.
No, you're not. Not as of today, or you're going to jail. Do you understand me? It is a condition of your bond that you have absolutely no contact and no communication with her. If I find out that you are still doing that, you will be in jail and your bond bill will be raised so that you don't get out. Do you understand?
Even if she...
I don't care. She can't... You're following my rules now, not hers. Okay? She can't give you permission to break this order. Okay? When your case is all over, or we'll see what happens with your case, maybe that changes in the future. But as of now, because of what you're charged with, she can't say, it's okay, I won't tell anybody. She's still going to be out, and you're going to be in jail if you do that. So it's temporary, potentially. You better follow that court order, or you will be back in jail. Do you understand? Okay, step in front of the clerk. Mr. Green? Mr. Green, it's important that you're here on time, okay? All right, I'm going to recall that bond forfeiture. You are Ronnie Green, and this is your initial appearance in cause number 25, DCCR 0735. Give me just a second to pull this up. You're charged with the state jail felony offense of money laundering from March 3rd of 2025. Since you've made bond in your case, have you had an opportunity to try to hire a lawyer?
Yes, ma'am. I actually gave a lawyer half her payment already.
Okay, who's that?
Miss Holmes.
Miss Brittany Holmes. All right, so what I'll do, Mr. Green, is reset your case about 30 days or so to give you some time to see if you can get her paid off. Bring the reset notice that you get today to her, and then she'll tell you what to do. If you're still making payments, just continue to do that. Bring me a receipt when you come back to show me that you've done that, and then I'll give you a little more time, okay? All right, step in front of the clerk. She'll give you a reset notice. I haven't seen that in a long time. I feel like we had some a long time ago, but it's been a long time. Mr. Paget, you have Catherine Castillo,
Yes, Your Honor.
2 cases.
Good morning.
Good morning, how are you?
Morning, ladies.
Mr. Smith's. You're okay. Good morning, you are Catherine Castillo? Yes, ma'am. And Ms. Castillo in 24 DCCR 2457 is charged with assault on a peace officer, and 24 DCCR 2458 with driving while intoxicated, third or more. Mr. Paget, what is the announcement?
Your Honor, we are trying to complete discovery on that. We're just waiting on the body camera information. If you give us 30 days,
All right.
I'm certain we can get it done.
Any issues, Ms. Malfino, that you see?
No, Judge, it looks like an offer has been tendered.
That's correct.
We'll just double check on the submission for that request.
Okay, no problem. Yeah.
All right, we'll just
I
do
did
it-
it on 6/5, so.
And I'll check with Karen.
Thank you. Ms. Castillo, stay in touch with Mr. Paget so that once he gets that, y'all can go over it, and then we'll get an announcement at the next court date. All right, thank you.
Your Honor.
Let that sink in. By the third time, the system treats it as a felony, not just a slap on the wrist. This is where the stakes skyrocket: prison time, massive fines, and a permanent mark on your record. At this point, The court's patience is gone.
Mr. Rojas, you have Carly Davis. Good morning. Good morning, Mr. Coleman. Good morning, ma'am. You're Carly Davis. And Ms. Davis, in cause number 24 DCCR 1385, you're charged with the third-degree felony offense of driving while intoxicated third or more, and that is from May 6th of 2023. And what that means is that if you go to trial and you're found guilty, the range of punishment would be between 2 years and up to 10 years in prison. Do you understand? And I have here on the tablet a plea bargain rejection that you've signed with Mr. Rojas that shows that the district attorney's office has made an offer if you wanted to enter a plea of guilty for a 10-year term in prison, but that would be probated. You'd be on probation for 10 years. There would be a $1,500 fine. You would be required to follow all of the rules and conditions of probation, including having that auto ignition interlock device and any treatment, things like that. You have every right to reject that and have your case set for trial. I just want to make sure you understand what the possible consequences are if you go.
And there it is, the gavel drops. Derek goes from second chances to a prison sentence. This is the moment that separates courtroom drama from real-life consequences. Let me ask you, do you think the judge was too harsh or exactly right given his history?
Go to trial and what your options are. And you understand all of that. And do you want to reject that offer and have your case set for trial? And so I'll get that done. Ms. Davis, Mr. Rojas has been appointed to represent you. He's one of the attorneys who handles a lot of cases for me as a court-appointed attorney. With your permission, I can release him and appoint another attorney who could begin preparation for trial a little quicker. Is that okay with you? So, Mr. Rojas, you are released. And Ms. Davis, if you'll just have a seat here in the courtroom, the clerk will call you up and let you know who your lawyer is going to be.
Raquel West. Boyd.
Eric Fornells, Mr.